Alright guys, this is the Mi Robot Vacuum Mop 2 and this is the fall sensor. This I'm not sure, but these two silver are the charger, the wheel, and here is the sweeper. Now the sweeper is quite easy to replace and clean off dirt. All you got to do is just pull it out and you can see there is hair stuck underneath it. You can just take it out and push back in. Replacing it is the same. Now here is where you take out the brush at the bottom. Just press in and you can take it out. So this is how simple it is, and for the brush you just need to clean it or replace it if you need to. There is some debris or long objects, you can take it out like that also, as you can see. Now for the mop, you can see to the left there is button here, just need to press it, and to the right there's also another button there, just need to press both simultaneously, then you pull it out. And this cloth here, you can remove it by sliding it to the side. After that, at the bottom area you can see there is the water. So those silver ones are for detecting that the tank is there. This here is where you put in the water, so you just need to pull it out, and then there's a hole underneath. Right here, just pull it out and you can see there is a hole to put in water, right? And that is all. Those two buttons below here are just for pressurizing it. Now at the top here is the dustbin. You can see how big it is, and the filter is just right behind. Then that's it. So to take it out, you just need to, put it down and from the front and just throw it out. That's it. Then you can see the top there, you see there's a light here, is for Wi-Fi if you connect to your Xiaomi, and also the reset button. At the top here you see camera. That's it for mapping. And here is what I'm doing is I'm actually creating a spot for the robot to vacuum it. So as you can see, it is vacuuming it at that spot that I'm doing. So you can see real life how this function works, and yeah, enjoy. And this is the sound of it, so you can see whether is it too loud or too soft. So firstly it will do a zigzag, then corner to corner, and that's it, and side to side. So once it's completed its routine, it will automatically just stop if it thinks that it is clean enough, and it will go back to its charging station. This is quite smart, so you don't need to worry about this robot at all. And that's it. So now if you want to select a certain area, then you can do this. If not, well, you don't need to do it. So this is how you do the certain area. And now let's go into the show you. This is the mop. You can choose more water to spit out or not. And here is the standard and the high, where it shows you the high, the strength. It is for normally carpets. So you can see in the settings. So these are all the settings it has. It has experimental features for map to remember where is it. Just now you've seen. And then you see the scheduled cleanup, whether you schedule it, and the device settings. All this you can do it yourself, read yourself all this. You resume cleanup. Then the cleaning history, whether you have cleaned it before, and here is all your accessories that you should change it once it go 100%, and then for reminder to change it. And then here is to search if you lost a device. Here's the editor where you can, you know, create your own virtual wall and, you know, restrict from mopping or vacuuming. Well, I will show you real life after I do this how well it works. That is another story. Alright, so let's see what will happen. Okay, so it seems that it doesn't work exactly as it should. Maybe because it doesn't have, you know, mop only or vacuum only function. So here you have the manage location. You can choose which location it is, so you easily know where is it. All right. Then here are all the other settings where you can take a look. So now we'll go into the real life cleaning. So as you can see, firstly it will do a zigzag, as you can see from the map how the robot is moving. So firstly it will do a zigzag, then later it will do the side to side and corner to corner. So that's all it does. And over here I'm going to show you if it reaches to a table that has a leg of, you know, few inches height, this robot will go above it, which make the robot much likely to break, alright, to have issues in the future. So if you don't have anything to block it, it may also go over it and get stuck sometimes. So you should have something there. Cleaning mode and how you hear the sound. So if you go on silent, on standard and strong, this is the noise level. And here you'll see that the robot is doing its job by, you know, pissing on the floor. You can see all the wet waters on the floor, you know, dirty, I know, it's disgusting. So as you can see, it is doing its job. It's mopping, it's sweeping, and it's vacuuming. So here is another example of it going up above the carpet and cleaning it, no issues at all. So this is how it looks like on the side to side part after it completed its zigzag. So as you can see, the sweeper underneath it's quite low that it's able to sweep out all of this. And if you have like this type of carpet that's, you know, on the floor, it may pull it up. So yeah, this is what this real life test is. And here you can see it didn't fall off the staircase because of all the sensors it has. Oh, and one of the great thing about this is because of the front sensor, every time if it goes through a wall or a door, it detects there's something, an obstacle in front, it will slow down and touch the wall instead of banging it as most robots do. Alright guys, so here's the pros and cons. Pros is you get a robot that is like a dog, but it's better than a dog because it cleans your house, eats dirt, pisses around with hygienic water rather than a real dog. It creates a mapping in its brain on where your whole house is like a dog, and it has a preset skills. Better than a dog, you don't have to teach it. Now the cons is you don't have new skills, you have to maintain it like a dog. But well, that's it. It's small price to pay for easy life, right? Better than dogs. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber signing out. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist for different topics in different playlists. You can check that out for my previous and future videos that is to come. So thank you for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.